Some ACDelco Gold parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Professional. Premium aftermarket replacement part. Manufactured to meet specifications for fit, form, and function for General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. Rust-preventative coating provides corrosion protection for superior durability. Inspected for balance resulting in smooth brake operation and noise reduction. Independently tested, including D3EA, along with noise, vibration, harshness, NVH, and durability, wear testing resulting in high quality and reliable products. Follows original manufacturer's designs for dispersing heat, helping to prolong pad and rotor life while reduce noise and vibration. ACDelco Gold, Professional, Black Hat disc brake rotors are a high-quality alternative to original equipment, OE, parts. ACDelco Gold, Professional, parts are manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function, making them a smart choice for General Motors vehicles, as well as most makes and models, including special applications. These high-quality parts are backed by General Motors. Some ACDelco Gold parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Professional. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Works great, better price than local auto stores, used on 2015 Suburban.